It's a gamble thousands of drivers take every year. Can they maneuver another Canadian winter without winter tires? Why not roll the dice with all-season tires? Before you decide, consider these facts. All-season tires are made with a hard rubber compound, which loses pliability as temperatures drop. Winter tire rubber, conversely, is softer. As it gets colder, the rubber hardens just enough to work in the cold weather. Winter tires also feature wider and longer treads so they can eject snow and ice. But what about recent driving advancements, such as ABS and traction control? Don't they negate the need for winter tires? The truth is, they only prevent the overbraking or overpowering of the available traction of the tires. The only way to increase traction is to get more grip and control by, you guessed it, installing winter tires. Speaking of traction, the difference in stopping distance between all seasons and winter tires is estimated at about 6 meters or 18 feet. And this is just at 30 kilometers per hour. Imagine trying to stop at highway speeds. Who wants to gamble, particularly when your safety is involved? Yes, winter tires come with a cost, somewhere at around $120 a tire. But besides vastly improved safety, consider that using winter tires extends the life of your summer tires. That saves you money. Ontario law mandates that insurance companies offer discounts to drivers who install winter tires. You save again. And speaking of insurance, have you had an accident lately? Collision deductibles and premium increases are a virtual certainty if you can't brake to avoid an accident in snow and ice. All things considered, it's a smart investment. As for making that investment, you're gonna need to get 4 tires, not just 2. If you use 2 dissimilar types of tires, you'll have a vehicle that has a split personality. One end of the vehicle won't react the same as the other. You'll be understeering in one condition and oversteering in another. To ensure you're buying a true winter model, be sure to look for the snowflake and mountain logo on the sidewall of the tires. When should you buy winter tires? Eastgate Ford offers rebates starting in September and sweetens the deal with additional offers. It's recommended to change your tires when the temperature falls into the single digits, ideally when it's been 7 degrees or less for 7 consecutive days. At this temperature, the rubber compound in all-season tires gets too stiff. In other words, you can see your breath. Time to get your winter tires installed. Many stores carry winter tires, but Eastgate Ford is staffed with experts at matching the right tire to fit your specific model. Additionally, you can get comprehensive tire and wheel packages, including balancing, alignment, and even storage, all in one place. So do the right and smart thing. Invest in winter tires, or roll the dice for yet another winter season. Drive safe.